hiking in the Amazon rainforest at night. Last night, I went hiking in the Amazon rainforest, a few hours by boat outside of Iquitos, Peru. I was led by my guides, Christian and Raja, into the forest on a muddy trail. The mosquitoes were abundant and relentless, so even though it was hot and humid, I was layered in my rain jacket, face mask, gloves, and covering every inch of skin except my eyes and forehead, which became covered in bites. But it was worth it. We saw some incredible wildlife and heard the many vibrations of the Amazon's nocturnal insects and frogs. In this video, I'll take you along with me on our hike through the jungle at night.
Look at all these ants, fire ants on the tree. There are fruit-cutting ants on the tree. Woolly mouse or possum.
I see it.
See?
Kicking the ants off.
Yeah. Brazilian wandering spider. Dragonfly landing on my mouth. This is dangerous.
That
This
is?
can bite you, but if you take care of the wound, then it's not a problem.
What if you don't take care of it?
It can gangrene part of your limb and you can lose it.
Wow.
But not good enough to kill you. Unless that you have a allergy reaction.
Oh, that's the same one that'll give you
Yeah.
gangrene?
They can be big like this.
Yeah, that's pretty big.
All of this information I'm telling you, this is from scientific reports. But you know, I got bit by bees, all kind of things. But I didn't have all these effects they mentioned. But one more time, maybe in people that has allergy reaction, can be very terrible.
Maybe also because you're local to it or
Yes,
native,
maybe,
so
yes,
got
maybe
some
because I'm native as well.
got some immunity.
Yeah, I have some immunity. Doesn't cause the same reaction. Like I was telling you, I got stung by a wasp, by a bullet ant, tarantula hawk, wasp. It's one of the, yeah. Oh man.
Sounds miserable.
Yeah, but you know, this is like a once in a while.
Yeah.
I'm very terrible. I like to sometimes, well, pick up animals just to see how bad it can be.
That's how you learn.
And I was on that time when, you know, I was young and then I really don't care. Someone was saying, hey, give me $20, do it. I'm like, okay. No, believe me, if you're alone, you're in trouble. And then you think that you're going to die until you're in. Couple times, I think on a boat. I was in a lake with big caimans and anacondas and everything. So at that moment, when I was on the boat, I was like thinking seriously, you know, are they gonna eat me or something like that? But you know, when actually happened, I was not focusing on that. I was just focusing on survive. So I swim, I get close to the first tree, and then I climb.
Which one? Same one as before?
No, jumper spider.
It's a jumper
This is
spider?
different, yeah, but related in the same family.
They jump?
Yeah, they do. They can capture cages, grasshoppers, lizards, cockroaches. Yes.
What kind of bug is that?
Cricket.
Big cricket.
Don't. Right here, look. That's not good stuff. You see? Right here.
Oh yeah.
Two, look, another one here. These are the nice monkeys.
What kind of monkey is that?
A noisy night monkey. Three, 1, 2, 3.
Another bullet out?
You see?
Yeah.
This is the normal time for them to be moving active.
Otherwise you have to dig in the ground to get them out.
Yes. And when the water rises up, they just have to move to the canopy. The root system of some epiphyte plants, they can use it to build their new home, their new nest. But when the water drops, they come down again to the ground. There's a big frog over there.
Oh wow. What kind of frog is that?
This is the Amazonian bullfrog. Or in English is the smoky Bengal frog. You remember the little one I told you is a baby?
Oh yeah, same frog?
This is not also a full growing.
Are they getting bigger?
This is like a young. And the adulthood, this will be like huge frog. You hear people eating frog legs as delicacy when they go camping.
And these are the frogs?
This is a frog. And this is actually a bigger version of the bullfrog of North America because this can get much bigger. The females are the huge ones. And they can weigh like almost like 3 pounds.
Oh. Big guy.
Yeah. From here you can see the face. Awesome. You got it?
Yeah. He ran right by us.
Very long antennas. We're back. You have to enjoy.